Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm here with Alec and we got this couch, the sofa, and we're gonna give this thing a try, put it together. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I have this sped up super quick, but here's me and my son trying to get it out of the box, and you can see it's really cool that all these things were super vacuum packed in there, and then as we opened up the plastic, it expanded. The video will get a little better here as we go, but I do want to say that the quality is just amazing. All the screws line up, everything got tight, and when it was put together, it just felt solid as can be. Not sure where we are there. Oh, there we go. So there we are putting together some of the back panels and the bottom panels. It was a bit of assembly. I would say it took us 30 minutes or so to do, but definitely a solid piece of furniture. And you can see he already has another couch there in his apartment. And this one actually kind of matches. It's nice. It's got a really good fabric. And it is kind of a corduroy-ish kind of feel. So it feels like that, but it's nice. It feels soft. Here we are. The camera's kind of falling down. But there we're putting the back together right there. And it came with all the different little legs and everything. Everything was in there. We ended up with a few extra little pieces, which I do think I show in a minute. But here we are.
And here we go.
And here we go. We're putting the cushions on. We got it mostly done so far. How cool is this? So that's the way the cushions fit that way. And then the back cushions go there. It's nice. The way they're all separate little pieces too, so you can always take them off and clean them. Wow. Nice couch. And then there's these armrest pieces here, see too. And look at this. So you can put that on there. And it's got a little place to put your remote control or whatever stuff you want there. And just tuck it in on the inside, I guess. There we go. And we got a couple of pillows. So they say it'll take about a day or so to fully inflate, but you can see we've had these out for a little while now. They're fairly inflated, and we can always fluff them up a little bit. So let's sit on it. See how, oh, surprisingly comfortable. Yeah. Nice couch. Absolutely. Very cool. And how long did it take us? 30 minutes or so to put it together?
Probably 30,
Yeah.
35.
A little bit longer than it says in the manual, maybe, but it all worked, and we had all the pieces. I think there's a few extra pieces. I'm not sure what those are going to be for. I guess just extra parts. Didn't figure out what this one went to. But we got extra that, a couple extra screws. So maybe they go for something once I finish the rest of this little part of the book. But definitely cool. This is what it looks like from the back. Everything Velcroed on in place and stuff, and looks really good. So I'm going to say it's a thumbs up for me. Very nice couch. Very nice indeed.